Ever marveled at the delectable dance of flavors that is chicken biryani? Wonder no more. Today we unravel the secrets behind this culinary masterpiece, a dish that has won hearts across continents. The chicken biryani, a symphony of long-grain basmati rice, tender chicken, and a blend of spices, is no ordinary meal. It's a journey through a rich, aromatic world, with each bite offering a different tale. To embark on this journey, you need a few essentials. Begin by sourcing 2 cups of basmati rice, a pound of chicken, and an onion. You'll also need 2 cloves of garlic and an inch of fresh ginger. But what brings the magic to life are the spices. Acquire 3 green cardamom pods, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of red chili powder, and a teaspoon of biryani masala. For the aromatic finish, gather a handful of mint leaves, a handful of chopped coriander, and 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. First, wash the basmati rice until the water runs clear. Then let it soak for about 30 minutes. While the rice is soaking, turn your attention to the chicken. Marinate the chicken pieces with the ginger, garlic, chili powder, turmeric, biryani masala, and a pinch of salt. Let it rest for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to permeate. In a large pan, heat the ghee until it's shimmering. Toss in the cumin seeds and cardamom pods, letting them sizzle and pop, releasing their aroma. Now it's time to add the sliced onion. Sauté until it turns a golden brown, the color of a perfect sunset. The aromatic base is ready for the marinated chicken. Add the chicken to the pan and cook it until it turns a beautiful golden color. This is not a race, but a leisurely stroll through Flavorville. The rice, having completed its soaking time, joins the party next. Drain it well and add it to the pan, gently stirring it into the mixture. Add 4 cups of water, cover the pan, and let it simmer on a low heat. The rice will cook in the same pan, absorbing the flavors from the chicken and spices, creating a harmony of taste. After about 20 minutes, when the rice is cooked and the water has evaporated, garnish with the chopped mint and coriander leaves. The chicken biryani is ready, a flavorful mosaic waiting to be explored. In summary, the perfect chicken biryani is a labor of love, a series of steps that blend ingredients and techniques. It begins with the preparation of the basmati rice and the marination of the chicken. The ghee, cumin, cardamom, and onions create an aromatic base to which the chicken is added. The rice joins next, cooking in the same pan to absorb the flavors. Finally, a garnish of mint and coriander completes the dish. So, the next time you crave a plate of chicken biryani, remember you hold the secret to creating this culinary delight. Enjoy the journey, savor the flavors, and celebrate the joy of cooking. Until next time, happy cooking.